Hi there. Today we're gonna talk about how to make an organic insecticide. It is a simple contact-based insecticide which usually a lot of people can do at home. You just need two ingredients, just water and soap from our sale, which usually is find it original without any additives. And we all need, for 1 liter of water, we just need 35 grams of soap. So we grab a knife and we start peeling off. The smaller the chunks, the better it will mix immediately. And we are at 34 grams. Now we just need a bit of tepid water and we're gonna mix it inside of it. Hopefully it will all drop inside of it. So we'll break all the big parts. We shake it a bit. And we remember that this can be used for both insects and it acts on contact. This means that if any insect that we hit with this mixture, usually we'll build that in a couple of minutes and even hours. It is effective against aphids and even scale insects. This product has to be used regularly, at least once every 7 days, for it to be effective. So you can break down the cycle of the insect. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.